Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about these really cool Meteor Icicle decorative lights. So I'm just gonna show you how to connect them and tell you a little bit more about them. So as you can see, they come in this really cool box and there's three different kinds to buy. One is a white, one is a natural yellow color, and another is all different colors with red, white, blue, green. Comes with all them colors together. The decoration itself, it's like a meteor or like an icicle falling. So I'm just going to show you how to connect. This is a 10 foot long wire and the power cord is 2 foot long. So you connect it like so. It's simply this bit here, you have to unscrew this and you plug that into a plug socket and connect them like so. As you can see, they're really, really beautiful and they're perfect for Christmas or New Year, any kind of New Year celebrations or whatever, maybe a wedding, etc. And they're waterproof as well, so they're perfect for outdoors and hanging around your house and whatever you want to do with them. So we hope you can enjoy using this product.